Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got a new setup. I'm using my old, this is my new phone, and I'm using it to run my old phone so I can see what's kind of like the way I had it set it up with the GoPro before, but now I've got it with my old Note 20 Ultra, or whatever you want to call it, S20 Ultra. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty jazzed on that. So let's see how it goes. Today we've got one from Umai Crate. This is Igarashi Seimen with their Kitakata Kuri ramen. This one goes for 5 minutes with 500 mils of water. Non-fried noodle. Here we are. So today is 2/23/2022, the day after 2/22/2022, and I am proud to say that we were successful. That at least we made the effort. At 2:20 on 2/22 of 2022, at 2:22 and 22 seconds, we were both attempting to do number twos on in two different bathrooms, just the two of us, on Tuesday. So we've I'm gonna make a little badge, you know, like you get in a video game. We got the 2 badge, so that's pretty cool. And I guess if you're looking at 24-hour time, that would have been at 10 p.m. is 2200 hours, so at 22 and 22 seconds, that would have been an extra 2, but it was like, no, we're good. We're good on the 2s. But it was definitely an interesting day for time and chronometrics, I guess, and yeah. And then it got cold. Last night it got down to 18 degrees, it says, and it's not windy right now, but it is very clear, very sunny, and I think it's maybe 30 degrees outside right now, so yeah. And when I was out yesterday, something weird happened. I was talking to old Stumpy from Little Rock, and I told him, you know, I used to find weird stuff here and there when I went walking on the trail, on the street, just like odd knickknacks and items people dropped and left and this and that. It's like, man, I haven't found anything like that in a long time. So I was like, man, I kind of need if I found something. And then I was walking and I hit a spot that had a little railing and a little lookout over some water. And I found this. Free! A clock. And I was thinking, like, okay, first off, it's working. That's cool. And oh, you can hear it. I wonder if you can hear that. I wonder where the microphones on this thing are. It goes chick. Maybe it goes down here. I really don't know. I'm gonna have to. I'm hoping that this video comes out really good. But yeah, free little clock that was running. I was thinking, like, oh my god, I'm gonna open up the battery compartment and there's gonna be like a tarantula inside or something jacked up. But no, maybe somebody like just quit their job or something and they don't have to get up at the time where it was set to have the alarm go off. I don't know, but kind of a weird thing. Kind of fitting for a day so based off of an interesting fascinator about time and date and numbers and contiguous large amounts of the number 2. So that was kind of neat. What else? Yeah, so I got my new phone on, a couple days ago, and it's pretty cool. I like it, and it's just like the one thing I always dread about a new phone is moving into it, because it's a lot of work. You got to make sure you got all the apps and all your data bits, and honestly, it was pretty easy to move into it. I did a Wi-Fi transfer thing. That'll be the outro video on this one today. I used that, and I used the old camera that I'm using right now to do a time lapse yesterday morning. That's cool. I'm really stoked. I didn't want to get a new one and get rid of this old one, because this old one has like a bazillion cameras on it, and it's pretty snazzy. So, but we'll see how it works in this situation. I think it should work all right. It's kind of nice too. Look, we can zoom during the show, which is really handy. Whoa, come on, zoom back out, all the way out, all the way out, all the way out. Yeah. So it's got a wide thing. And then you can also set this, and that's what my plan is to set it, it's got a directional microphone. So I don't have to be like screaming to make sure that you can hear me, and hopefully it'll pick up the background sound too. But when it sees, I guess it can somehow pick up sound directly from where it should be. So I don't know. We'll give it a try. If it works out, I'm stoked. The other thing is it's using this app called Team Viewer. It's on this phone and on that phone. And I've heard people say it works great, and then all of a sudden they decide that you're doing a business situation and they revoke your access to it. And it's like, this is not a business. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm trying to get a hold of the company and go say, is there like a way I can avoid that? What do I need to do? Because I do my show. I do what I do. So, yeah, clear and cold, bitter cold. Ooh, don't boil over. That's hot. Now, a door on our, what do you call it? Under our sink is falling off. I gotta call up the people and have them fix that today. It's like I was out here like getting stuff ready for the show. I was thinking like, man, I better put my shoes on, because if I don't, then I don't want to get I don't want it to fall down and crush my foot. Not how I like to start my day. This seems to be working good so far. I like the fact that I do have a chop. It's choppy. I don't care about choppy. I just want to be able to see where the camera's pointed. So that's cool. All right, Kitakata curry ramen. Kitakata. I can do this in 4K too, but I'm not even gonna bother with that. That's too much. It smells good. It smells like Kitakata curry. So let's give this a try. Nice noodle. I don't know if I mentioned, this came from Umai Crate. You go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount if that's what you want to do. Here's our broth. Nice oiliness. That is a really, I gotta say, I've had a lot of curry varieties from Japan that I've liked, but I would say there's more that I've disliked than liked. And this one is really top notch. It's like got a lot of cumin to it. Okay, that's over too far. Let's try this. Even though it's got this like, whoa, how about like that? That's pretty good, I think. Even though it's going over Wi-Fi, the lag on this is way, well, the other one was going over Wi-Fi too, but the lag on this between yeah, it's way better. Way more instantaneous. That's a little better. Okay. One of the last, this is the next to last slice of chashu I got. That's scary. I really don't want to make more chashu anytime soon, but I think I'll have to. I'll have to go to the pork belly provider and go shell out for that. That's good. And then we've got an egg. Come on, egg. Be a good egg. I'll have to make more eggs too. So this one I made on Monday and it's Wednesday. Should be alright. It's definitely gotten more color than usual. It's still pretty drippy, but come on, sit right there. But yeah, after a couple days, the ratio I use of water to soy sauce is pretty high on the soy sauce side, because I usually like to try to make enough to use in the same day, and that tends to cause them to get much darker much quicker. And then zip up this marinade bag. I use the marinade like a couple times and then I toss it. Mainly because I don't really eat these, like all of these, so I definitely don't sit and chow down on eggs all day. I really don't. Let's just use it all. I used 4 stalks of spring onion in the holy slicers, so. That's good. I think we could do with a slice of, oh, that one's a little sad looking. A poorly sliced slice of Naruto Maki, I would say. I used the holy slicer for that, so that was kind of a... It worked once. I would be adding mung bean sprouts, but they didn't have any fresh ones at the store. They all was expired yesterday, so... Okay, now... Here's the scary part. Whoa. Yeah, back up a little bit. Okay, where are we? Should I just do it extra high? I don't want this thing to fall over, because this thing's way... okay. Now, can I do that? Can I do... Yeah, I can zoom in. Look at that. It's a little slow right now. Okay, stop. That's good. I think. Alright, here we go. Whoa. Alright, well cool, thanks for watching. Yeah, first time using this setup. I hope it worked out and we'll continue to do so. And yeah, alright, happy landings. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your cheese every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.